we present you a new video. I hope it will be useful. If you don't want to miss other interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. BMW F30 B47 engine mounts replacement. If engine vibrations are felt inside the car at idle, this may be the cause. I will mount engine mounts produced by Lemforder. The part number is 2211659412 for the right side, and 2211659411 for the left side. This is the fixing nut for the left engine mount. And this is the fixing nut for the right engine mount. I will remove the nuts on top. Remove the engine shield. These are the fixing screws of the engine mounts. I will use a special device to lift the engine off the engine mounts. Remove the fixing screws of the right engine mount. The right engine mount can be easily removed from the top. Put the new engine mount in its position. Place the fixing screws, but do not tighten them. Remove the left engine mount fixing bolts. It is necessary to remove the gearbox protection. To be able to lift the engine more, it is necessary to remove the ornaments. Raise the engine as high as possible. Loosen the fixing screws of the front axle and lower the axle a few centimeters. Replace the engine mount and tighten the front axle mounting bolts. Center the fixing screw on the motor support hole and lower the engine. Install all the ornaments in the reverse order of disassembly. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. Do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.